What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another live stream. In this video, or in this live stream, sorry, we're going to be talking about the market, what it did today, basically what we normally talk about, guys, and just the overall condition of what happened today. And wait a little bit for everyone to join in. As you're joining in, just let me know, do you have a green day? Do you have a red day? What type of day do you have? What's up, Double Man? How you doing, bro? You been doing good? You been doing good? I know you like Tesla, so Tesla was down today. What's up, Sergey? You doing good, man? Y'all doing good? Um, yeah, we're gonna break down the market. We're gonna talk about what happened today. Right now the market's selling off some more. It's been a pretty slow bleed off. We've been experiencing that. We experienced it today, and we're experiencing it right now. But we're about to talk about something, and I think we're okay though. I think we're okay. Tesla burns. Yeah, Tesla has been unfortunate. But I think Tesla's okay as well. I really do. Do you believe Nano hit rock bottom? Let me see, Sergey. Let me see here. Let me see. So for Nano, you don't want to get below 660. You don't want to get below 660. Get above that, getting below that will probably make us go lower. So 660, don't want us getting below that. Other than that, this needs to be your dip for sure. So that's what I'd be looking at, Sergey, for Nano. So let's talk about the overall market really quick, guys, and let's analyze what is going on. So this morning, if you were watching the market at market open, we were pushing up. We were pushing up. The market was up. We were looking good. Things were looking pretty good for the first hour, I think. I think the market started dipping around 10:20, 10:30 my time. That's where it started dipping. So, and then after that, it was just pretty much a slow bleed off for the remaining of the day, and we're still having that bleed off, which is annoying. It was a very annoying day because we just like I said, bled off. We were up and then just bled off for the remainder of the day, which is annoying. It's very annoying, guys. Trust me, I know. But what I've been looking at and I've been saying over the last couple of weeks now, we're going horizontal, guys. We're going horizontal right here. When I say horizontal, we're trading in between the top red line and the bottom red line. So right now, what we're doing is we're approaching the bottom red line. So what I'm looking for is us to hold this level. So tomorrow or overnight, if we sell off, I'm looking for us to hold this level. We need to hold this level in order for us to continue this horizontal. You don't want this to break out, but look. So this is what we're doing. We're going up. We got over it a little bit, came back in, got rejected by it, came back down. So, in the consolidation period, what we need is a bounce here. So tomorrow, if we sell off, needs to bounce here. We don't need to close above this level right here. Okay, guys? If we do, then that's where we start getting into the territory where we probably will come back lower. So be careful. That's what I'm looking out for. So tomorrow may be green. Since we're already having the sell-off overnight, tomorrow may be green for us. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. If I was in the S&P 500 or if I was looking at the S&P 500, what I'd be looking at is also this area right here. So let me draw it. This area right here. You notice we stayed above this area, came down, touched it. So you don't want the S&P 500 breaking this level. So we know what we're working with. We know what levels we need to look out for. With regards to a lot of things, they sold off. AMD unfortunately just had AMD, man. It had a good earnings, pushed up, and just sold right off. So AMD is struggling. Still not looking too bad, holding this support. With regards to other tech stocks, Facebook sold off, which is to be expected. Amazon sold off. But, they're still looking good. Microsoft's barely sold off. Apple was actually the only tech stock that was green today. But the main reason that happened is because of it got a buy upgrade. It got a buy upgrade from two firms. Futures are down south. Yeah, double. They're definitely down right now. But honestly, I prefer them being down right now because when we wake up in the morning, I'd rather us get the sell-off over with tonight and then open up green and push up for the rest of the day. But who's to say we could continue this redness tomorrow? So that's what I'm looking out for. But Apple, something interesting. They got the upgrades. You know, it was pushing up. It had Apple got held down by the market. If the market was better today, then definitely Apple would have really seen an amazing day. But unfortunately, market was red, so Apple was struggling to stay green, and it actually still closed green. Tesla, I know that's what you're here for, double. Tesla pulled back. So Tesla, I'm looking for us to hold this level right here. Tesla needs to stay strong, and it needs to hold this level right here. Definitely looking at this right here. So what we did was we had this huge reaction on Friday, whatever it was, had this huge reaction, came back down, and now we're kind of like staying right there. So we're staying right there, and we're hanging out. So you need this to be the pullback, and hopefully we get the push up coming soon. But Tesla, I'm still okay with this as long as we really start the buyers starting to come in. NIO. NIO was the same thing today. Unfortunately, NIO was actually green this morning, guys. NIO was green. NIO was looking good, and then with everything else, sold off. So that was very unfortunate. NIO was looking good this morning. I was like, okay, NIO setting up for an amazing day, guys. Let's go. NIO is doing great, and then bam, we got the sell off, and then like everything else, it had that slow bleed off. So NIO, what I'm looking at is for NIO to hold 39.39. It needs to hold it and stay above that area. I know I've been talking about it a lot, but it's crucial, guys. So staying above this area, it's right on that border. It needs to stay above it and hold above it. So tomorrow, honestly, I am expecting a green day, but obviously anything can happen. What happened? What fake news happened, double? What fake news happened? But yeah, so NIO, I am expecting a green day tomorrow, but I would not be surprised if we are still red tomorrow. Really depends on how the future's at going into the trading session tomorrow. So, we're on the lookout, but nothing out of the very, ordinary. I think this was just a normal sell-off day. No panic. No panic was here. The health of the market, I think, is doing fine. Naked, I don't want Naked getting underneath 61 cents. If it gets below that, then we are in some trouble. We are in some trouble if we get below that. But overall, it does look good. It needs to break above, what's that? It needs to break above 75. 75 cents, get the break above that, then we can start pumping back up to over $1. Bumble the dating app. Bumble. See, I would have gotten out of this. It broke this green support. This held so many times, broke that today. Had probably some negative news. So for me to get back in this, it needs to get back above 59.24. But definitely you don't want this breaking this low right here. Oh, Ethan, I go next month. I go June. June, my man. Good to see you, bro. Hopefully you're wrapping up school and get back into the trading game very soon. But yeah, man, I go next month. So yeah, man. But yeah, so Bumble definitely needs to get back above 59.24. Summer, this one, it was at the resistance on Friday, got rejected, gap down, and we were red today. But it was a very low volume day. This ticker does not have a lot of volume, so I'd be careful with this one. The liquidity might not be there, so definitely watch out on this one. But I want to see the break above 1864. Nice, man. Come talk in chat again, bro. Missing you in chat. Missing you, bro. CCL Carnival. So Carnival is consolidating. So Carnival is staying between $25 and really, let's see, $29. We got it back above this resistance right here at $27.61. We want to see it stay above there. If it stays above that, we are looking good. But once again, Carnival is consolidating. We've been consolidating since February. So that's okay after this kind of monster move we had up. Consolidation pulling over, which is good. So Carnival is looking okay. Amazon. Let's take a look at Amazon. So yeah, so we broke down Amazon briefly in the beginning. Excuse me, I was on my headphones. But we broke down Amazon in the beginning. It had quite the down day today. It's coming back down to that overall support at 33 3,350. So watching that area closely. You know, it did get a little overextended, earnings hype, whatever. So definitely on the lookout for that going into tomorrow. Like I said, I think tech does get a bounce tomorrow. I'm watching this support level. Hopefully we bounce there. Ethereum. How can we forget Ethereum, guys? You all know what it's doing. USD. What do I use Coinbase or Kraken? Definitely don't use Coinbase. I must use Kraken. Oh, well, I haven't done Ethereum so long. So Ethereum is really going for it. Ethereum is pumping up. Honestly, I wouldn't chase this just yet. You know, if you do get in it, just have your stop loss, but Ethereum is going for it. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing today. Bitcoin. Wow. Bitcoin sold off. Huh. So Bitcoin sold off with the market today. Interesting. So definitely watching this. You want this to bounce right here. You don't want 5,300. You don't want this right here, 53,872 to break. You don't. If it does, then we probably will see some downside. Excuse me 1 second, guys. So definitely don't want that breaking. Let's take a look at MAR. MAR sold off today. Bitcoin, it sold off. So MAR was pushing up, then it came back down. Interesting. So be on the lookout for that. For MAR, you don't want it breaking $30, $34. You don't want that breaking. Overall though, guys, we talked about in the beginning of the stream what to watch out for. Now let's take a look at the 10-year on TXV. Doge. What's up, Brian? Yeah, we'll take a look at that. TNX. So it sold off today, huh? Interesting. Doge. Okay, we'll do Doge. Is this what I normally do? Haven't broke down Doge in a while. So Doge is or it was testing its all-time highs. Let's see what we got going on. So Doge has a very, support level right here where buyers are finding it, and then we have a resistance level right here. So this resistance is now acting as a support, 39.40 cent around that area. It bounced there, so definitely watching that. We're testing that breakout from the top side, so we were consolidating right here for a little bit, broke out, and now we're testing again, so you don't want it breaking 40 cent. If it breaks 40 cents, probably come back down in this range. But man, Doge had everyone fooled here. Thought it was coming back down. Doge is not doing anything. Then it's really been picking back up. So that's interesting indeed. Doge looking good from a technical standpoint. From a technical standpoint, it is looking good indeed. But I'm excited about the overall market. Tomorrow I will be watching Bitcoin. Heavily. I don't want it breaking this, so if it touches it tomorrow, don't want it breaking. I want to see it hold. I want to see that hold. But overall, guys, today was red. I wouldn't be too worried about it. We're still consolidating. So if you were red today, just relax. Don't fret too much. I use Coinbase, but they don't support me in crypto, so I'm not sure what. Let me see. Binance is one. They are more altcoins. So, I mean, Coinbase, they do have quite a lot, but if you want one with more altcoins, then do Binance. I'm trying to think if there's any other ones. So all of these, let me see. All of these right here is crypto apps. Bitstamp, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, and Bitfinex. So all of these are apps that you can buy them on. So you might want to try out this. But the one I'm more familiar about, they say Doge is supposed to be worth a good amount towards the end of 2020. Yeah, the problem is though it's not adopted by a lot of other crypto. Robinhood is the only one. What platform can you? Webull. So you can buy it on Webull and Kraken and Binance. It looks like. So you might want to try out these. Webull is not crypto only. So Kraken is crypto only, I think, and then Binance is. So you might want to try those out for sure. But yeah, so people, I guess, they're starting to now adopt it, but it wasn't really adopted by a lot of the brokerages because. Oh, I was about to type your name in instead of Ethereum, but yeah, it wasn't adopted by a lot of them, basically because it has no real purpose. Like it's a meme coin. Literally, it doesn't stand for anything. Um, so yeah, but who knows? We'll have to see where the value goes. Ethereum, yeah, Ethereum is pumping. Tech. Ethereum is definitely pumping. It's looking good. If I were to get in this one, I'd have my stop loss right below 3,000. What 200? So I'd have it right below there. If it went there, tag out, re-enter it. But overall, Ethereum's getting up there. Let's take a look at the RSI. See how that's doing. Well, it's probably extended. So you got Webull, Kraken, Binance. So you can store your Dogecoin in the wallet, but I guess you can't buy it. But yeah, so Webull, Kraken, Femex. I don't know how to say that. Femex. Um, says the number one brokerage to buy Dogecoin. So maybe this one. Yeah, they do altcoins. Okay, so basically what you need, Brian, is one that does altcoins. This is what you need, altcoins. Um, so this one looks like a good one. So try this one, or let's look at Kraken. Prices. See what their fees are. What? Okay. I guess you can't look at their prices. But they should do altcoins as well. Yeah, well, they don't have as many, it looks like. So it looks like the best way to go is this one right here, Femex. So that's where I would go. But heading back to Ethereum, it looks like this one's overextended a little bit. So it might maybe come back down. RSI, it does need to cool off a little. So a pullback would make sense right here. Maybe we test the top of 3,000. So we'll be definitely looking out for that. But Ethereum is on the rise, and it's unfortunate, or unfortunate for me because I was really trying to get some GPUs, but I haven't found any. I really wanted to start mining it, but the shortage came during a bad time. And I wish I could have hopped on that mining train, but that's how it goes sometimes. But guys, I'll probably end the stream right here. Just summarize tomorrow. Looking for a bounce on the market. We are getting to that oversold portion on the market, so definitely looking for a bounce. Don't want it breaking the support line. So as long as we stay horizontal, we should be good. Looking at SPY, same thing. Want it to bounce here. So, guys, I probably will. Yeah, I will stream tomorrow night. Maybe during the day. We'll just have to see how it goes. But other than that, hopefully tomorrow is green, and I'll see you